Well, we're in the shop here. I got the bird's nest off the drive shaft. Hit this with a hammer and it came off. Some genius put the muffler in the way, so now we're gonna have to get the hacksaw. Okay, we got the bird's nest out, drive shaft, exhaust. The fuel tank is out. I got my helper. Found something cool on top of the gas tank strapped to it. The original build sheet. WS4, WS6 performance package. Look at this, wire one. It had custom front seats. Cool. All right, next we are going to unbolt the cross member and drop that right onto the ground. All right, a couple motor mounts cut, the rest buck.
Let's just try to roll this thing.
I don't know. I think you're good with it.
Oh, yeah, these all have to be done in a fresh way.
Oh yeah. Tech tip of the day, undo the brake lines before you do this. Uh-oh.
What?
Shift cable's caught in there, I think.
Oh, shit. Oh, that's good.
I got a new one.
Okay, it looks like we're free here.
Lift her up.
That's bad. Needs to be higher though.
Looks pretty cool. Well, it was a pretty productive day. Had my helper. Motor's out. Subframe and motor's on the floor over here. Almost have everything torn apart in the back. Just I need to unbolt the leaf springs, pull the diff out. Ready for wire wheel, sandblast. Right on.